In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an icon in Notion. Whether you're just getting started with Notion or looking to enhance your pages with a personal touch, adding icons is a great way to visually organize your content and make your workspace feel more welcoming and customized. We'll go through the steps together in a clear and straightforward way, so let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to open the page where you'd like to add an icon. If you're new to Notion, your page could be a project you're working on, a personal journal, or maybe a study plan. Open the Notion app or website and navigate to the page you have in mind. Once you have it open, you're in a good spot to start customizing. Now that you've got your page open, your next step is to locate and click the Add Icon option. You'll usually find this at the top of your page, right above the page title. Clicking this button will allow you to bring some personality and functionality to your Notion workspace, helping it stand out and serve your needs more effectively. After you've clicked on Add Icon, you have a few exciting options to choose from. You can select an emoji from Notion's built-in library, which is a quick and easy way to add a bit of flair. Whether you pick a smiley for a personal page or a light bulb for your project ideas, emojis bring an element of fun and expressiveness. Alternatively, you can upload an image from your device if you have a specific icon you'd like to use. This is perfect if you want something truly personalized, perhaps a company logo or a unique design you've created. Lastly, you have the option to link an image from the web. Simply paste the URL of the image you want to use. This is great for when you find an icon online that's perfect for your needs, ensuring you have plenty of flexibility in how you personalize your page. Once you've made your selection, whether it be an emoji, uploaded image, or linked image, you'll see your chosen icon appear in the header of your Notion page. It's that simple. This small touch can make a significant impact, helping you quickly identify your pages and giving them an inviting, polished look. And that's all there is to it. Adding an icon in Notion is straightforward and can greatly enhance your user experience by providing visual cues and making your workspace more engaging. As you get more comfortable, feel free to explore different combinations of icons and page setups to create an environment that's perfectly suited to you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to experiment and have fun with how you customize your Notion pages.